Fireplace mantel discoloration from soot deposits can totally mess up your cozy vibe and make your whole room look dingy. Okay, so if your fireplace mantel is getting all dark and grimy from soot, the first thing you want to do is avoid using harsh chemicals that could ruin the finish. Grab a soft cloth and mix some warm water with a bit of mild dish soap. That combo usually works like a charm. Gently wipe down the mantel, and if you see stubborn spots, try a paste made of baking soda and water to rub lightly without scratching. Always test your cleaning method on a small hidden spot first, just in case. Another tip is to clean it regularly, especially during heavy fireplace use, so the soot doesn't build up over time. Also, keep the fireplace damper open properly to improve airflow. This helps reduce soot escaping onto your mantel. If your mantel is wooden, avoid soaking it. Just damp cloths are best to keep the wood safe. Lastly, consider sealing your mantel with a protective finish if soot is a constant problem, so future cleaning is easier and it stays looking fresh. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace mantel discoloration from soot deposits is scrubbing way too hard with abrasive cleaners or brushes, which can damage the surface. So switch to gentle cleaning methods like soft cloths and mild soap. Another common issue is ignoring regular maintenance, so soot piles up and gets tougher to remove. Setting a cleaning schedule after every few uses makes a huge difference. Also, many folks don't check if their damper is working right, leading to poor ventilation and more soot landing on the mantel. Fixing or replacing faulty dampers can really cut down on discoloration. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to connect with real clients and get steady work.